Welcome to Netcruzer Cars. On the Pilot, we just did our first off-road tour in this. Four-wheeled it for about 5 hours or so on a trail, and it did excellent. Taking down more now. Lip rate. But I do have a little bit of damage to show you. So these running boards, I knew these running boards were going to be a problem because they reduce clearance, but they also add a little bit of protection. Have these that hang down a lot. And I knew that we were going to hit those with rocks. So I did slip off a couple of rocks. We came down hard on one of them. So this one got bent up, and where it's just ever so almost going to touch that brake line. So I think I'm going to try and bend this back or bash this back somehow, bend it back down. And then the only other casualty was the heat shield. Now the heat shield was already loose to begin with, but now it's extra loose. So I just need to bolt that up. So it's just ripped through these bolts that are up here. Anyway, that's all we need to do is I just need to retighten that up there and then kind of bend these back a bit, and that's it. Then we're good to go for another tour. All right, I'm gonna try and bash this off of this brake line here. That's some heavy metal. A pry bar would probably be more effective than just banging on it. Anyway, just gonna keep bending that back out of the way from touching this line because I have to drive this 5 hours back home. So I want to just get that where it's not touching anymore, and then tie up that heat shield in the middle, and we'll be good to go. There we go.
If you turn it upside down, you'll have a little bit more throw.
I hit the ground that way, and I can't.
No.
Oh, actually, I can jam it up. There we go. There. Hopefully, I'm not touching anything else important.
I was gonna say, hopefully you're not prying off the brake line.
All right, now we're working on the heat shield, and I just got the repair done. My buddy helped me cut those little washers, helped drill the hole through them, and then we're able to tie up the heat shield. I got the running boards off of the brake line. Repairs completed. Right on, so that's the Honda Pilot repaired off their off-roading. Just two quick fixes. So just bashed the running board fingers kind of back off of the line, and then tied up a heat shield that was in the middle, and we're good to go. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Honda Pilot, surprisingly doing very well off-roading. We'll get it there on some trails again eventually someday, maybe.